Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So to create a new file in Illustrator, just go to File, click on New. It's open up this panel, then select your width and your height dimension. Then make sure that you need it in pixels if you are dealing with social media posts and RGB. Then click on OK. To place a file, go to File, click on Place. Then locate where you kept your image. So I'm just trying to find it here. When you found it, make sure it's linked and click on Place. To place the image in Illustrator, just drag it and leave it to place the image, then arrange it to where you want it to be on the artboard. This white space is the artboard. Then to select a shape, to select your rectangle, beside the toolbar, just click on the rectangle, click and drag it. Then go to fill to change the color and pick any of the swatch. And you can also manually change color or your color choice. Just click on that swatches, then that cycle white stuff, just click on it to select the color. Then to type a text, click on T and type your text. Then up there under that character, that's where all your fonts that you've installed into your computer is stored. So all you need to do is just to select it, scroll down and select these fonts that you need. So finally found the fonts. I'm going with the bold font. Then I want to change the color to white. Then still go back to that field to change the color to white. Click on the field, then select the color you need. It's that simple. Then click on Ctrl Shift the space, not the space bar, the open bracket square to send the image back. Then copy it, Ctrl C to copy, then Shift X to turn it to an outline. Don't worry, you understand with time. Okay, then I want to going to click on the letter T again to type a text. Then you just need to grab any corner, make sure that's in a showing to scale it. Then I'm going to arrange it. I'm just messing around with it. You can also change the width of your text by going to that where you see that regular. You can change the width there. Then go to your type tool. You can change the case in your type tool. So I'm just messing around. Pardon my voiceover. Then it still goes back to the field to change the color. It's that simple. Then you can also still change the color if you want to. Okay, I'm going with is pink. Then I'm just going to adjust it to be mild a little. Then click on OK when you are satisfied. Yeah, I love this. Anything pink. Yeah, so to draw a what are they calling it, a border box type, you just need to click on that, then drag it. Yeah, that's what I did. Then I'm just adjusting the font size by reducing it up there. Then go to type orientation, fill with placeholder text. I don't have any text available, so I'm just filling it with Lorem Ipsum. It's just a dummy text. Then click on any side to adjust the width of the text. So yeah, that's just the difference between the normal clicking once on the text and you dragging the text box. It maintains that shape that you've dragged. Hope you understand with the short video. Then that's my logo. Yeah, let's just pretend it's my logo. So I'm just making it bold. Yeah, and scaling it down to a smaller size for hierarchy purpose. Yeah, and that's basically it. I hope you were able to learn something. Thank you. Yeah, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for listening. Bye.